For this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix "you don't have permission to access this folder" error. When you came across this problem, first thing you need to do is to click the Security tab. Next, go to the Advanced option, then click the Change button. After that, go to Advanced again, then click the Find Name, then Set to Everyone, and click OK. After that, check the Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects, then click Apply. Wait for the process to be finished, and click OK. And that's simply it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.